Hey, Scott here. How y'all doing today? I'm just here to share with you something I just received in the mail, and it's something I really resisted purchasing for many years, and I finally just decided I needed to buy this. I bit the bullet, I spent the money, and what I'm talking about is the Drill Doctor Drill Sharpener for drill bits. And the thing is that, you know, for the smaller drill bits that I usually use, they break or they get dull or whatever, and sometimes I just go out and buy new ones because, you know, why not? They're not expensive. But some of the larger drill bits, they get dull, and I, you know, try to find a substitute, grab a different size if it'll work or whatever. And I'm talking about something in my shop. I'm usually drilling out busted off bolts or something like that, so the size of the hole is not always that important, but having a sharp drill bit is. So I've finally just gone through my drill bits and I've just worn them all out. I've used all the sharp ones I had, and it's just kind of getting to be difficult to find a sharp one to use nowadays. So rather than go out and buy new sharp ones, I've decided to spend the money to get this Drill Doctor Drillbit Sharpener. I did some research online, watched lots of videos on YouTube, read lots of reviews, and decided that I, in my shop, do not need the most expensive one, but I also didn't want to deal with the cheapest one that was available. And so let's take a look at the one I got. I've already cut the tape on the box, so let's find out what is inside. First things first, when I bought it, one of the options that I got from Drill Doctor website was the option to buy a case for it. And I'm all about keeping my stuff in cases to keep them organized and clean if I can. So I did spend an extra $14.50 for the case. So this is the case. I know some people, they buy tools in cases like this. First thing to do is throw them away. I'm a case saver. I like my tools in nice cases. So, the Drill Doctor that I got was the 500X. There you go. And not, again, like I said, not the most expensive one, but not the cheapest one either. And if we look at the paperwork here, we are looking, I paid $99.95 for this. And I already mentioned that I would paid $14.50 for this, and with shipping, these two items cost me about $121. So that's what came in my box, the shipping box. Let's open up this box and find out what's in here. All right, so here we are. We've got the plastic case, pretty basic. It says extra storage here. DVD location with an arrow here. I don't know anything about a DVD, but that's what's in this box, this case. And then the Drill Doctor itself. Let's open this up. Says hand assembled and quality checked in Ashland, Oregon, USA. Yes, I like USA made stuff. All right, there's the part that holds the drill bit. Little tool. We got the instruction booklet, user guide, and a little flyer for more products from the same company. And here is the machine itself. So we'll definitely have to learn how to use this. I'm excited to get some sharp drill bits again. The Drill Doctor 500X. So pretty simple, just 3 pieces that come in the box. Let's find out about this. chuck storage. I think it screw in, but it doesn't. Just sits in there like so. Put tool in there. There you go. Tucked away until I need it. Hey, that is the end of this unboxing video. But thanks for watching.